Goodness, what are you getting? Oh my goodness. Girl, you got an early present? What did you find? What are you finding? Good job. Good job. Good girl. Get it. Oh, that's such a good girl. You're so smart. You're so smart. Oh, let's see. What is it? Good job.
Oh, amazing.
Did you get it out? Let mommy look and see. Let mommy look and see. What did you get? What did you get? Oh, you got a little Caesars. Your Aunt Jenny got you a little Caesars.
Yummy.
Okay, let mama see. Let mama see. Good girl. Oh, look. That's for you. Yes, that's for you. You can't have it right this second, though. You can have it in just a few minutes, okay, baby? Good girl. You have other presents.
Okay.
Macie, you ready for your birthday song? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Macie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right, let mommy get your candle blown out. Mommy blow the candle out for you. All right. Okay. You want to have it? Come get your birthday.
Yummy.
Good job. Yay, birthday cupcake. She's like, forget this plate. Is that delicious, baby? Oh. Macie's good stuff. I can't believe she's looking at cauliflower. I made it. Oh, there we go. Is that good, babe? Oh my goodness. Oh, turkey cupcake. Yes, please. Say yes, please.
Oh, honey. She's so precious. Hi, baby.
This good. You want mommy to take the hat off if you love? Mommy, take it off. There you go. There you go.
Yummy.
Oh, so delicious. Good birthday stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, gone.
Good job. All right. Good to the last drop, baby. It's good to the last drop. Good job. Good job. You want to open this present? You want to open your present? Just get it and open it. Good girl. Oh. You're not going to open this one? She opened it. You want mommy to open it for you? Is that what we're doing today? Mommy's going to help you? I'm happy to help you. Come on. I'll be happy to help you. Come on. Come on, let's open presents. You want to open this one and see what you got? You want to open it? You want mama help? Okay, I will help. I will help you. You want to see? You want to see? You still need more help? Okay. How about that? You want to look and see? What is it? What is it? Look, it's your favorite. It's one of your favorites. All right, good job. Good job. You got two really good presents so far. We'll put them over here, okay? We'll put them over here. Look, you got another one. Aunt Jenny brought you another one. You want to see? Can Mama help you? You gonna do it? You gonna do it? Mama help. I'll let you do it if you want to do it. Do you want to do it or you want help? Mama will help you? Okay. Let's see what's in here. What did you get? Oh, look what you got. Look what you got. Soup bones. Some more of your favorites. Yes, good job. Good job. I'm gonna see if I can get her to open this one if she hears it. What do you think that is? Do you have an idea? What is that? Oh, you think you know what's in there? You wanna try to open that one? You don't want to try to open that one by yourself? You could do it. You could do it. You open your little boy. You punched a hole in this when you were opening it. You know? She's like, I know. I meant to do that. Yeah. You want to eat your Caesars? All right. We'll eat that in just a second. Let Mommy get this. Do you want you want this? You know what's in here, don't you? Yes. Like the one you killed. Oh, that's you. What do you want to bet's in here? What do you want to bet? Oh, it's a green one. Look. You got a brand new hippo. You got a brand new hippo. Look. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Yay, new hippo. Oh, off to the bed. Macie, you're going to play with your hippo or you're going to eat your little Caesars? Okay. Yes, I think it's a great idea. I think it's a great idea. Yeah. I mean, it is your birthday after all, or you got your day anyway, huh? Come over here. Can you come? Good girl, sit. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, look at this little bit of puppy heaven. Look at that little bit of puppy heaven right there. Oh my goodness, and that's the one you opened all by yourself. Good job. Good job, little girl. Is it fabulous? Is it fabulous? Green peas and everything in there for you. Oh, what a nice, lovely treat. What a nice, lovely birthday treat. You have to tell Aunt Jenny extra special thank yous for that. Yes. Never given her peas before. We don't eat peas in this house. She likes them. It's good. Oh my goodness, they're very delicious. It's very delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All of this puppy goodness. Oh, dropped a piece. You're a very neat eater. Thank you. Thank you. You're very neat. Yes. Just like she was thinking about it for a second. So delicious. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. Oh, it's a good girl. You're such a good girl. Yes, it is. I think you got it all. I think you got it all. Let me turn it around. Nope, there's still 2 peas in here. You're right. You're right. You had some left. Good job. Good job. Oh my goodness, that is excellent. Look, you got carrot right there. Oh, good girl. Was it delicious? Did you enjoy that? I'm so glad you enjoyed that, my sweet girl. My sweet girl. Happy birthday, love. I'm going to love you forever and a day. Yes, I am. Just handing it up to you. I'm going to say that's intended as a present.
Yeah, this one is the bee's knees. Hi. You like your little hippo. He's quite the handsome hippo. He's very handsome. Oh, hello.
You're so cute. Oh my goodness, what a good birthday girl you are. good birthday girl you are. What happened? Where did it go? Did Jenny take it?
Oh.
There it is. There it is.
That was mean. That was a mean treat.
Tell Jenny she can't have your new toy.
No.
Perfect.
Such a simple life.